and that's me with fitYOGAfit. Let's begin. はい。Open your legs about the hip distance, standing up nice and tall. And inhale and exhale, just roll your shoulder, roll your head. After a few times, let's do the other side. And back to center. Now, roll your shoulders backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now roll your shoulders forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Okay, now just swing your arms to the side and twist your upper body. And no tension on your shoulders, neither chest. Just let your arms swing. And back to center. Okay, so now from here, you're gonna wrap around your arms. So I'm gonna show you from the back. Wrap around the arms and twist your upper body. Try to keep your lower body square as possible. 2, 5 breaths. 3, 4, and 5. Now other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And back to center. Okay, now bring right leg over the left, slightly cross. And bend your front knee and stretch your arms to 45-degree angle upward. Let's take 5 deep breaths here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Back to center now. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Center. Now from here, let's do small chair pose. This way. Inhale, exhale. And interlace your hands behind. 3, 4, and 5. And relax. Let's do second round. Inhale, exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, arms up and forward. And roll up. Inhale, arms up and forward. And roll up. Inhale up and exhale forward. And roll up. Inhale up, your arms. Exhale, forward bend. And roll up. Inhale. Exhale, forward. And here, slightly bend your knees and hug your elbows. And gently, very slowly, sway your head to the side. And release your hands slowly, each vertebra by vertebra, roll up. And roll your shoulders down. Okay, now hook your elbow on the crook of your elbow and wrap around your arms like this. And inhale, arms up. Exhale, bow to your arms. And let's take 5 deep breaths here. Inhale, exhale for 1. Try to expand the back of your shoulder blades. 2. Squeeze the elbow together. 3. 4. And 5. Okay, now switch your arm, other arm on the top. And lift up your shoulder, lift up your elbows and bow to your arms. Let's take 5 deep breaths here. Inhale, exhale for 1. 2. 3. 4. Elbow tight together. And 5. Inhale, lifting up, and exhale, release your hands. And from here, inhale, look up. Everything stretch out, and stretch out, even lifting up your heels, And slowly bring your heels down, hands at the center, and some stick. And for more like this, check out this next video. See you soon!